With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, consider the given question. At 127 degrees Celsius, heat of fusion of a compound is 4.8 kilojoule per mole. Entropy change for the process is, so we have to find the entropy change for this process. So the four options are given. First one is 37.8 joule per Kelvin per moles, and second is 15 joule per Kelvin per mole, third is 18.6 joule per Kelvin per mole, and fourth is 12 joule per Kelvin per mole. So we know that entropy change delta S is calculated by delta H upon temperature, but here it is given that heat of fusion, so it will be the delta HF, that is heat of fusion upon temperature. So fusion means, let's say any compound AB is solid, so it's changed into the AB liquid, because we know that fusion is the changing of the solid into liquid state. So this is the fusion. So it is given that delta H is equal to, that is delta H of fusion given 4.8 kilojoule per mole, or when we change it into joule per mole, so multiply by 1000, or is equal to 4800 joule per mole. And temperature is given 127 degrees Celsius, and we know that 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin. So 127 degrees Celsius is equal to 127 plus 273, so it will be 400 Kelvin. Now put this value of delta H of fusion and temperature in this equation of the delta S is equal to delta HF upon T. So the delta S, or the entropy change, will be equal to 4800 joule per mole upon 400 Kelvin. 0 cancel, 0 cancel, here 12, and when this Kelvin goes to the numerator, so it will be the per Kelvin. So delta S is the 12 joule per Kelvin per mole, and this is our required answer, that is entropy change, or delta S, entropy change, that is delta S for this reaction, is equal to the 12 joule per Kelvin per mole, and this is the final answer. Now consider the given option, in which option it is given. So it is given in the option number 4, hence option 4 is the correct choice. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.